Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog. A very special, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So on today's videos, I'm going to surprise one of our women in our village here, of which they were being supportive a lot here and there, right, left, center, like to be have the borehole, have the furniture. Anyway guys, it's the same person who's supporting to her. So they reached through me, and for me, I wanna go to make the shopping for her. And wherever you are, thank you sir, I can't mention your name, this is your privacy, and most of the people didn't like to mention the name. So even I myself, I'm so grateful when I see other people succeed, put something on table. I'm very happy. The same the way my mama put something on table, let her put something on table. I pull her to her home right now after these videos, and first I'm going to meet brother Dagi to his home. I'll accompany to him up to that woman, and her name is Mary. Her name is Mary. So I'm going to surprise one of these days. She was lucky enough. When God say yes, nobody can say no. So on today's videos, guys, stay tuned as we keep watching these videos, and I'm so grateful. For sure, I'm so grateful. And if you're coming across for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, watch full length of the videos, watch even the ads, drop the sweet comments. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, remember, you know what? I'm just buying material right, left, center. That's the reason why I'm going harder through my dream. So maybe this year I can build my mama house. So I have the stones right there. I will show you after these videos, and then I'm heading to Brother Dagi. Wow. So he was closely friend of mine, and actually he was my neighbor. So it's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. I'm telling you guys, it's by God's grace. You know, at the same time here, I'm wearing Deep East Safari. If you came to Africa, you can Google Deep East Safari, and they can take you around from maybe Nairobi up to maybe to my village, and then from my village you cross to Tanzania. Went maybe to see maybe wild animal in Serengeti. Wild animal. Serengeti is big. Maybe you go for example, when Deep East Safari drive you from Nairobi up to my village here in border town, and then when you want to go to Tanzania, we'll take another safaris for Tanzania. They will take you to Serengeti. But within in my country here in Kenya, you can go to Masai Mara with Safari East, Deep East Safari right here. So I'm just branding that company, and wow. So the time is running like crazy, and oh my God. So it's around 1 p.m. my local time. So I'm heading there actually right now. So first I'll pass to Brother Dagi. I'll let to know even Brother Dagi, he doesn't have clothes going on, and hopefully I'm going to meet with Brother Dagi, and then we drive exclusively, and my bike will take the shopping, and for Brother Dagi will pick Mary from his home to border town, and then from border town to his home. That's how our days go. So me, I'm just going around to show you how my village looks like, and wow, at this land here, it's on sale right there where I was coming from. It's on sale, and I heard on the comment section 1 or 2 people said land in Africa it's so expensive. The reason why it's so expensive, the owner sold the land, sold the land plus trees, like this forest for example. They sold right there. They sold land and trees. Imagine if it were me, when I'm in financial enough, I could buy that land, because I'm the one who benefits. Reason number one, or benefit number one, it helps some trees. When I give trees sometimes, like maybe some couple of years, let me say 10 years, I could benefit maybe splitting timbers, selling firewood, selling off cuts of timbers. Imagine, and then the land remained to me. For example, try to remember the land. Maybe you bought around you bought the land $4,000, and what about the trees that are on that land? But me, no story for that land. Yesterday I made a videos. You can go and watch my last videos. You could be able to know. So the owner reached me through, oh hello baby, just like brand my land, I want to sell them. She's a lady, and me, I would never work with maybe drunk people. And she was a nice lady. She wanted to sell that land, and I don't know, maybe she want to become a businesswoman. I don't know. But it is what it is. Me, I'm just going this way, and this is the kind of thorn fence that we have here in our village, right here. And maybe most of the time right now, worldwide change something. Maybe people come with new technology. So right now people are being fenced by using blocks. Maybe by God willing, my mom's compound also I'll fence by using blocks, simply because I need my mama to be secure enough, to have enough security. When maybe, for example, you left maybe your stuff, things like basins, things like maybe panga, wheelbarrow on your compound, it's secured enough, you know. So you have already fenced your fence. No, like phone snatcher, like no, not phone snatcher, no thief. You can have your project of selling, like keeping of chicken, selling of eggs, milking of the cow. No one who realized that in your compound you have maybe how many cows that you have in your compound, how many kitchen that you have. You do your things say private, like in Congrat dad's home, they were being fenced by blocks. That's why maybe in the future I will do for my mama. So maybe when I'm chilling inside the compound, no one who will know that our hero baby are inside, unless you make a call. Unless, guys, you make a call. And guys, to be honest, when I finish to build my mom's dream house, I will have the visitors, the house aside, like rental house, and also for my, maybe for my relative who are coming to visit me, I will have the rooms. That's my big aim that I have here. So I'm heading this way as I keep vlogging this, and then I'm going to pick my bike, riding to Border Town, so to visit Brother Dagi, so they could take me to one of the ladies. Her name is Mary. She had a nice couple. Me, I'm just contented to support them as I can. And guys, more blessings coming. Wagwan, man. I wanna say more blessing coming to my family. To my family, man. Wow. My name is Emmanuel. Emanuela. Not Emanuela. Emanuela, she's a young millionaire from Ghana. A young millionaire from Nigeria. I think Nigeria or Ghana. Emanuela. She's a comedian girl. But my name is Emmanuel. Emmanuel. But Hello Baby is my YouTube name, my YouTube channel name, of which I'm so grateful. And me, I choose that name because it's simple. You can maybe it sound good. Hello Baby Official. But my real name is Manuel Mwita Manyara. I was born during Christmas Day when Jesus was born in Bethlehem. That's the time that I was born. And if you are a Christian, if you maybe you know the word Emmanuel means God with us. So God with us in my family. What a good day. God with us in my family. So maybe because of the music, there's one guy passing you the music. I don't like copyright. I'm just going this way. So let's go and see. That cow just over there grazing. We can see. So it's that guy passing a radio. I don't like copyright. So we keep going. Emmanuel, God with us. Me, I want to share with you love. My God, subscriber, big up. Maybe one day I will learn Potua. If I have maybe one of our Jamaican who can maybe keep showing me how, maybe like sharing with me on the comment section how I could maybe be more perfect in patois. Like we call patois or patois. I think it's patois in Jamaica. It's just like in Kenya we have the sheng. Also in Jamaica, if maybe one day I could meet one of the Jamaican men who speak patois, I'll be very, very grateful. I know some terms in patois or patois in Jamaica, but I'm on training, you know, I'm on training. I just training a little, and then maybe one day you'll find Hello Baby speaking fluent patois. Yeah, man. And also, it's good to know maybe so many languages from different continents of the world. So at least when you travel, like, no worry, no crying, you know. So that guy is already gone. So I keep going down as I show you. I think when I go this way, no more light. When I go up way, there's light. So maybe I'll go back like this because of the sun. Okay, guys, we're on the topic of maybe to learn the patois, but there's another part of the videos. Maybe I'm trying maybe to remind you, like one day you'll find your brother Hello Baby, you'll find your son Hello Baby one day is speaking patois. Wagwan, man. Yeah, I'm coming there, man. I'm going there, man. Wow. What a wagwan. Anyway, guys, beside of the patois language, so in these videos I'm going to surprise Mary. It's the she was the guy who David Jr. supporting her by maybe like digging the borehole, bring the iron sheet and furniture, and it's the same person who's reached through Davy also reached through me. I support her. You know, thank you, sir, wherever you are. May God bless you abundant, and keep supporting us. We can improve. Maybe there is maybe some family that are living in a hard life, so we need to pull them like from down, like from grass to grace, to have something on table. The way I see my mom putting something on table, let's see Mary enjoying by putting food on table. So we keep going this way. Wow, I can't wait to see the reaction of Mary. And it was my first time to do that, you know, like to support her. And then the good thing about me, when I'm rolling these videos till the end, nothing could be hide. I'm keep going this way, guys. Wow, nothing could be behind. Let's go. Let's go. This could be the part of my neighbor, but nowadays they bought another land, they migrate. Imagine, this is a neighbor, this is the next neighbor. When I'm going this way is also our next neighbor. Imagine. So I'm passing home. I'll show you my construction is keep going. The construction of digging the borehole and everything. Even I don't like to see my mama suffering when right now no rain, no water in tank. So we must have the borehole for emergency. When we have water in the tank, also in the borehole, man, we try to avoid maybe the walking distance from my home to the river. Even me, the reason why I keep coming with that project is my toilet to have enough water. Anyway, guys, that land, this is my last time to brand this land. So it starts right there. We have the sisal here. You see, this is the sisal. From this tree is going this way, it's our next neighbor. From this one, going that way, it's the guy who wants to sow that land. And me, the way it is, how I have been told the price of this land, I would say the way it is. No more fake, no more like, me, I'm not the guy who lying. The camera is here, I'm rolling. If when I get first come, first serve, I'll make everything clear. You have the land, and the land have been approved by the survey. You have the number, all that. But it's the part of my family member, this land. So my family member sold this land to the guy who wants to sold again. So it just like In my home, there are maybe somehow extended family. We have my grandmother, my grandfather from another family. So this is the next family. They sold this land back years ago. And the owner of right now, she was a lady. She was staying in Nyabohanse, so she wanted to sell that land. And maybe she came with the idea. So maybe we want to come, my neighbor, in this year, day of 2025. The land is here. Let me see, first come, first serve. Let me see 10 people like betting on this land, and then you have free land here. The road is passing here. You can transport your material. You can have your project. If you wish to stay in Africa, you can stay. This is our motherland, the land of freedom. You can have your house, a nice beautiful house here. You can have your project, anything that you want. Me, I'm just grinding so hard. Even me in the future, I could have my own partition or my own portion. Right now, my dad portion is just right there, where I build the toilet and borehole, and then I'm trying to build a nice house, the dream house for my mama. And for me, to have a single parent, it's somehow I feel so bad to have a single parent. My dad passed away when I was young. I can't complain, but it is what it is. So I'm staying with my mom, and that's the reason I keep supporting my mom, to help her in terms of basic need, in terms of maybe of anything in case it's happened, taking my sister to school, taking my brother to school. Man, imagine all those things it's happened, but I keep supporting my mama. I told my mom, never go to people's land working so hard. You work so hard since I was young up to now. Just relax. When anything it's happened, like when anything it's left, let's pray in God. Let's believe in God. God will open the door, and Almighty God opened the door in my family. My brother went to university. Imagine, guys, I sold all my goats, the money that I have on my pocket. I escort my brother, and there's a video I made with my brother escorting him to university for the first time. And me, I'm value in education. I want my brother to have a good education, to be well educated, and he was studying the course of teaching, to be a teacher for the secondary school. You know, in Kenya here, especially in Africa, we have 3 categories. Like we have lower class, upper class, and then we went to secondary. Like we have primary school, preschool, primary school, preschool, primary school, secondary school, and then from there you go to university. Also you have colleges. Maybe you want to study a course, you have colleges like maybe plumbing, carpentry, mason, and all stuff. And the university, maybe you start medicine, a doctor, a nurse, a teacher, a pilot, an engineer, a mechanic, like all stuff, all categories. Or maybe in another way, I will put all goals we find in a university. And including those goals, my brother, he was the amongst of that guy who chose the course for teaching, to be maybe a teacher of secondary school. This one here, one day I'll build a house for my mama. Guys, you just keep putting me on prayers, you will see. And I'm the guy who climbing the ladder step by step. This is my grandma home. I bought the stones right there. You can see, you can tell in the comment section. Right there. That's the material. And I didn't bought that material at once. I work for it around 6 to 7 months. Maybe this month I bought maybe 2 tippers, next month 1 tipper. You know, the reason why maybe I buy like 1 tipper, next month 1 tipper is simply because my family need to put something on table. So I manage the budget, you know. I manage the budget. Maybe buying stones. My brother and sister went to school. My family put something on table. That is so on and so on. So we keep going. So in case you are new here, this is the material which I bought for the construction and building for my mom's dream house. This one here, this one, This one, it's through all my effort. And guys, thank you so much by keep supporting me. Thank you a million. Right now you can see through your support I bought stones right here. So guys, I'm heading this way to take my bike and go and meet brother Dagi. Also, this is my uncle's project. I was supporting them, like sand, balance stones, and also the pipe for that toilet. It's just right here, and they already have maybe they have bricks right here. The remaining maybe is the cement. When they have like 3 bags, they could finish up. It's step by step. Imagine guys. And the guy who, okay, let's go and see. I'm telling you guys, I'm heading to see my project, and then to is the guy who dig the borehole right there. Just over here. This is where I'm calling home. East to west, home is the best. So I'm taking my bike after this, going to border town. This is my baby right here. So this is the borehole. This is one of my beloved dad. He was the one who maybe doing finishing of the toilet, like digging deep. Because first time I brought some boys 2-3 here. They dig like in soft ground, and then when they reach in hard ground, they run away. So if you run away, me I will cancel on my way. I cancel. I put X. The toilet is just right there, and he was our beloved dad. He was my neighbor. He dig and he finished up, and then God brought him here again. Maybe guys, he was a calm dad. If you wanna maybe say hello to him, say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So this is the, hey man, I'm telling you, it's going deep. Even standing here, I feel like I could fall inside. But anyway guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. I'm heading to border town, but before I'm heading to border town, I will pass to brother Daigi's home, and then we head to border town. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, right now I'm heading to brother Daigi. So I want to check him, and went to the border town. So actually we want to make shopping for the one of our woman in our village. So we support her. And thank you, Sam. May God bless you abundantly. So actually, we take out the shopping place or supermarket. It is what it is, and we follow the vibe to the end. So I'm passing here, going and look brother Dagi. Look at this small road here. Imagine guys. I'm struggle passing here. No crying. Big shout out to Deep East Safari. Imagine guys, I'm passing here. Look where I'm going to pass guys. Inside here on the local road, you know. So I can't wait guys to share with you. And even her, she doesn't have any clue what is going on, and I'm going to pick her to make shopping for her. Wow. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go and see. I'm almost at brother Dagi place. So I wanna take a U-turn right here. At this moment, I left my bike here. So guys, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'm going to find Brother Dagi. But this is our deal. And I want to see 100 Canadian dollars how stuff they can afford in a supermarket. I'm telling you guys. So if I get here, oh, there's somebody.
Okay, welcome.
Welcome. You got that?
You got that.
Dagi.
Dagi is inside.
Okay. Sasa nilikuonaga wapi?
Dada nilikuwa kitambo kidogo kwa mdogo nilikuwa nakuja pale kwenu.
Wapi?
Hapo kwenu kutoka Nyankole nakuja hapo kwenu. When you are very young.
Okay guys. That face for that dad is not like unfamiliar to me. Kasongo. Kasongo's brother. Vipi man? Shwari. Let's go.
Okay. I'm sweeping, guys.
No, you see
we are using this to sweep the house.
You know, a house with no lady. Like
there is no tiles, all cement down.
I know, maybe hustling is everywhere.
Yes.
Even me at my home there, I do cleanness.
So
I
you're
myself.
sweeping like this.
Okay, this is your bike, Jagatochi.
Yeah, Jagatochi.
So let's go.
Okay.
Today,
yeah,
I have a friend of mine.
Yes.
And did you know Mary?
Yes.
The one which David Junior supporting her.
Yeah.
So also that person who supports Mary.
Yes.
He sent us $100.
Yeah.
100 Canadian dollar.
Yeah.
For shopping for her.
Yes.
So we wanna take her to the shopping.
Okay.
And me, I'm crossing to Tanzania.
Yeah.
To buy the rice.
Yeah.
It depends, maybe 5 or 10 kg.
Yeah.
And then we take her to the supermarket. He pick what she want.
Okay.
For 100 Canadian dollar.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is it, guys. And always we appreciate for the support that you are giving us. We don't take this for the granted, but always, guys, positive vibes. And God bless you a million times.
As you speak.
Someone who doing this. Yeah, we will be able to use
Take outside because time are not of us.
Yeah, it's okay, man. But me, I have been waiting here like 1 hour ago.
Yeah,
So,
because I remember when I was going to Border Town.
Yeah.
I promise you. Okay, take.
Okay.
And tomorrow is a Valentine Day. You must wear a red shirt. Hero baby
But
does
for
that.
me, I don't have a red shirt,
Even
guys.
me.
But we will manage it.
So today I will never wear the helmet
Yeah.
because I make my hairstyle. So it take me 4 days and then I'll start wearing the helmet.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let me make it on say it, Yamangana.
Anyway guys, no idea on this. Me, I'm just drive exclusively up to Mary's home. Brother Dagi will pick Mary. I myself, my bike will pick shopping. Guys, I hope you are ready for this. Enjoy these videos to the end. Let's go, guys. Guys, that's how we start. Oh, there's somebody calling. That's how we go, guys. Today is hot, and for me, for my good family, wherever you are when it's winter time, I surprise you summertime from Africa. I'm telling you. We're heading this way. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm on a motorbike. I'm telling you. Brother Dagi is ahead of me. Wow. This is a dump site here. I normally show you. Two vlogger having Honda. Mine is a Honda, for Brother Dagi is a Honda. Hey, maybe. What we're going to do? This is a dump site here, guys. That's Brother Dagi. One day, guys, I'll be a worldwide traveler with my motorbike. I can't wait to share with you this memory from here. Yep. Right, so first let's go to border town, and I have the cash, and then I'll drive to Mary's home. And remember guys, also tomorrow is a holiday, so maybe I'll surprise my mama on Saturday, also the shopping. That's brother Dyke. We keep going. We're outside. We're rolling the camera right now. Get it up. See right here. I normally show you my Roman Catholic church over there. That's my Roman Catholic church. It is what it is. Wow. I see the road is coming with the higher speed. Look at that. See that one here? Oh, here you go. That's blocks right there, construction. It means I'm going harder through my dreams, guys. I'm telling you. It's surprise after surprise. Look at that view, man. Yeah, this one going up that way. Wow. See that one there? Africa is the green nature of the land. Our motherland, Africa, Kenya. Oh, I see the donkey right there. There's the donkey. Imagine guys, let's see, $100 Canadian, what can afford? You have 100 USD, we have Canadian, we have pound. Hey, but I think pound is bigger in terms of currency. I'm telling you. Like I'm new in exchange rate, so I will learn slow. Look at that car. Right. See that one there. It looks like a jeep. Let's go guys. I can't wait to take that woman in the supermarket making the shopping. I want to see the reaction for her. Me, no idea on this. Wow, this is border town for you. You must be very careful while driving here. So sometimes maybe people drive crazy and then you don't know. Anyway guys, let's do this Agape. Hey. I love the song for Agape. This is a police station here, Hispania police station. Every day there's a case. People come report for the cases up and down. With all this, man, this border town for you. In border town, you can film videos for free, no phone snatcher, no nothing, no one who can stop you. Here's a free freedom. We enjoy as we keep going. Hey, the bicycle. Oh, I'm going at my own pace. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, amazing view. Old car version. KAR, that car there. Let's do this. Well, beautiful. You can tell. Nothing could be hide here. Nothing anymore could be hide. We go at our own pace up to border town. The guy is crossing. Guys, I don't mind copyright. Sorry for that. That's Brother Dagi right there.
I'm driving motorbike.
Yes.
At the same time, you are heading somewhere.
Yes.
What's the
You're
video?
heading this way, guys. And today it's sunny, but I'm crazy to wear the sweaters. It's because I'm driving. And hey, Honda. So guys, we're heading this way.
110cc.
Yes.
110cc.
Yes. Keep it in touch. Today the weather is so good. You can see the cloud, amazing. And for me, I'm surprising you with summer season here. Wherever you are, when it's winter, sorry for that. But I surprise you with summer from East Africa. Kenya. Wow. This is the back street of border town right here. And Matiko's wife, we brought the kids right here. So right now he's enjoying. This is Goshen school right there. Even you can tell the kids just right here. So we keep going to the deep village. Oh, Palm Lodge right here. Let's see. That's Brother Dagi with his motorbike. So we keep rolling these videos to the end. Wow. So right now, guys, I didn't continue the tarmac road. I'm using this side here. Wow. Heading to Mary's home, of which they are being supportive a lot. And also, I'm the part of the squad. Support Mary. Wow. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys, that you keep showing me to the end. And I'm going to meet with her. So maybe Brother Dagi will carry her and me from border town. I will pick the shopping. Imagine. Wow. Let's go. We have the church right here. Hey. It's a hot day here. And I have my baby right here. We are 3 Migo or 3 squad. Me, Brother Dagi and David Jr. We just chase our dream outside. And guys, sorry for saying Migo. Migos, sorry guys. Sorry. I don't know what it's meaning. But I just saying through my tongue. You know my tongue like this? You can say like Tua. When it's bad, I throw that energy. Let's go, brother. Let's go. You good?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm good. My beautiful.
The bike is coming here. So that's Brother Dagi. Oh! That's how we pass. Nothing could be hide anymore. We keep going. And for me, I left, or we go to Tanzania so she can pick the rice, you know. And then you come to the supermarket, they pick what she wants. And maybe when I left some change, I'll turn to her. Wow, that real hustle right there. That's how hello baby who I am. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is a big surprise to Mary's house or to Mary's home. And me, I wanna pass my thanks to Monkia. You made it possible, bro. Right now I have my own bike. It helped going me through the village. Not only me, it helped all my villagers. And this is a good thing. I can't complain. And we're heading this way. Wow. You know, there's some places where the motorbike can pass and the vehicle can't pass. So it need maybe somebody to use a motorbike, you know, like passing the bush. And I cover passing the bush. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm on this side, the back side of the village. Actually, apart from Nyabuhanse village, this is another village right here. Look how the road looks like. And we have a leader who guides us, but in a total mess. No road, no good road here. Look, even at that time I'm struggling. If you remember a day when I'm passing here with a bed, I was struggling too much. But all in well, we deliver the beds to Mary's family. Wow. You can tell the cloud how it looks like, how the sky looks like. Wow. We keep going. That's an amazing view of my village. These videos, nothing could be hide. Up to Mary's home. I just pulled there, I asked her, and then we go. Wow, at the far end, that's Nyabuhanse village, at the far end. Hey. Where are they going to come Let's go. Bradagi initially, before he came to village, he was in Qatar, in golf. Wow. I'm riding at my own pace. Whoa. Look at that. And right here we have the church. Well cemented. That's tobacco plantation right there. The cow are grazing, I'm telling you. We almost, guys. We almost. And I take a U-turn. my God. Oh. Going to Mary's home. Guys, I left my bike right here, so let's go and see. Anyway guys, welcome on today's vlog, a very special, and it's a blessed by itself. So she was lucky enough, she has the borehole, exchanging of the iron sheets. Odi kaya mpaka tukuripoti mapema aya unintomero numusani ahora hapa tukigisima hile mkungo shopping supermarket emukikira gutuna bama bose maguta umuchere hatu ndora hanti turayibonse stay hatu ndora hanti turai
sawa lakini ontana yane kamuni sitaenda
sawa
ila
sasa ni yule mtu tu bado aliwekea mabati kisima akapeleka mtoto shule tena ni akairomona skuli atia na pio bige sasa no arambiriga tumuhere shopping tumuhere Tanzania ko umuchere achikenye mkikira yindu kira utuni iko okay guys. I just told them I have been sent with one of my friends to take Mary
guys,
the shopping.
we are here with Mary.
Yes.
How are you, Mary?
I'm fine.
Mary,
This is Mary and this is his husband right
yes.
now in the village.
I don't want to show the kid.
Yeah.
Okay.
So finally we have reached and we are going to the supermarket. We need to make shopping to her, but we are going with her. She's the one who will choose.
Okay.
What
First, hold for me a camera.
Yeah.
I have $100 Canadian. That's 8,500
Kenyan shillings.
Kenyan shillings.
Kenyan money.
I just pull down here.
Yeah.
I think, to be honest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8,000 Kenyan shillings. So I divide by 2. So it was $200 Canadian. So $100 Canadian goes to my mom.
Oh. Okay.
To be honest, I have been received $200 Canadian.
Okay guys, there is some little kid right now here, so we don't need to show them on the camera. At the same time,
okay,
yeah,
at the same time, kids are not allowed.
Kids are not allowed.
Okay, to be honest, me, I have been sent $200, $200 Canadian, $100 Canadian zinakuja kwako. They came through you. It's 8,500.
Asante.
Maybe when we make the shopping, change rekota mandako. Shilingi funana na 500. Hai funana na 500 chira ya haremwe. Hare mama wana. So I'm telling her $200 Canadian, $100 Canadian goes to Mary. $100 Canadian goes to my beloved mom. That's my biological mother. So this is your money here. You can count and then return back to me. I'll take you to the shopping. I think I have your 500 here. Okay. Count the money. And then that's 8,500 for the shopping.
Can you count this?
You count.
This is
This man.
here.
Yes, you count for the shopping. Maybe they will take 500 for the small shopping here and there. Okay.
1.
Mm-hmm.
Can you take
2?
Can you take
3?
Can you take
Mhm.
4?
Mhm.
Can you take 5?
Mhm.
Can you take 6?
Mhm.
Can you take 7. Can you take 8? Can you take 500?
500. Maybe, to be honest, me I will take 8,000 for the shopping. That one you keep it. Maybe you want, maybe use it as transport. Maybe if you want mandazi or bread, you can buy. I left you with that one. Yes. Keep it. Totai. Ni gonna tell people. Hey, okay. We serve. Guys, that's Mary. I take her the shopping. She has no clue what's going on, and I left her $5 for maybe date, maybe here and there. Maybe if she want to buy maybe mandazi, if eggs. Okay, Mary, you can sit there. Utaka kwa hii. Okay, Mary will carry me. Brother, I will carry Mary, and me I will pick the shopping. Wow. Okay, let's go. Tota dai. Oh. Oh my God. Let's go, guys. Up to border town. Sir, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. And for me, guys, nothing to be hide. Because of time, I'm trying to capture them, or not to capture, to catch them as we go. Wow, guys, it's the same person who buy the iron sheet, who buy the furniture, bed, chair and everything, and bohol. The same person make shopping for Mary. Me, I'm saying the way it is. Mary is just right there. So we go. That's Mary. And it's like a song. Hey, we fully. Yes, that is it. And that's Mary. At least, guys, she can put smile on the face. As the time goes, I'm telling you. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's good to see when other people succeed, put something on table or put food on table. We have a long way to go. See, guys, that's the feeling for Mary. A day like this, we surprise her with a full of shopping. And I have the list for the shopping that have been indicated down. Wow. So I'll do it. Let me ask Brother Agi what he think. We go Tanzania first. Chukua mchere. Yadai. Mchere. Kilo 10. Okay. Usitakoriga. Uniwa. Okay, guys. Let me rush to Tanzania. I pick the rice. I'll meet you in Nusulai. Guys, I'm rushing to Tanzania, buying 10 kg of rice, and then after that, I'll come and meet Mary in the supermarket at Bora Town. We're heading this way. I'm chasing my dream outside here, and only God will know. I'm running like a goat to Bora Town and then cross toward Tanzania. We have a sharp corner here. I need to go at a slow motion Wow. It is what it is. Wow. It is what it is. Let's go. Up to Tanzania. Tanzania, man. So this is the back street of the border town, Isbania. But I'm heading to Tanzania toward the other side. Let's go and see how the day goes. I'm driving crazy because of time here and there. For you guys, this border town. Guys, sorry for the music, but I will keep going. Change our narrative. I'm telling you, this is border town for you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Use this route here, going that way. And then guys, I'm crossing to border, going to Tanzania, so I must post my video here as we keep looking to other side, man. I'm telling you right now. So right now I'm in Tanzania. I'm heading to the main store. I want to buy rice. Yeah, Kuhanda's store right here. Let's see, 10 kg today. Yeah, I can park my bike here. Oh my God. So that's Nyakuhanda store right there. Welcome to my good store, where I promote for them to buy rice every day. Anti kilo 10, shingapi? 150. Okay, goes to $10 and some cents. I need 1,050 Kenyan shillings. Uh-oh. Grade 1. Big grade 1, kilo 10. Eh. Oh guys, this is to measure the weight. Tavim, our pima. It's 10 kg right here, and it's grade 1, so it's 1,050 Kenyan shillings. So nothing could be high. So alright guys, I was coming from that store, Nyakuhanda store. I bought grade 1 and it's 10 kg. 10 kg goes to 1,050 Kenyan shillings. I give her $20. They give me 950 Kenyan shillings. So if you are in good in terms of currency, I bought this 1,050 Kenyan shillings. So nothing to be hide. Let me go to the shopping or supermarket place. Stay tuned. Guys, finally I crossed the border. So right now we're heading to the supermarket. This is Kenya. And we go. The rice is here. We keep going. We keep going. We keep going. Guys, quick and fast, I arrived here. I didn't find them, and my bike is right there. Guys, I keep waiting them here. So I was a quick and drive. Imagine I bought the rice. They just pull up. Okay, come. Okay. Yes. I bought the rice already. So just take Mary to the shopping. Okay. And then, brother Dag, if the money when the money remaining,
Yes.
we'll take her to Tanzania, buy the fish and fruit.
Okay.
Okay, I have the message here.
Okay.
Okay, welcome. Maybe for the first time, Mary come to the shopping here.
Yeah.
Stay, Mary. Okay. They will put the troll here. Aya, Mary. Imucheki usku. Tarute kikapo. Eh. Taruse kiende kieno. She was new on these things, guys. I'll take her slow. So first, I'll go with the budget for Mary. Okay, I have been told I'll take the grocery list 5 to 10 kg. I have already bought mchele kilo 10 and then sugar. So let's go. Tuende kwa sugar. Okay. Sugar. Tuende hapa. Okay. Okay. Let's go. You turn this way, Mary. You are new. This way, and then you pull, Mary. This is your best time. Okay, let's go, Mary. Next thing, okay, toilet paper, toothpaste. Okay, Omo, you take. Me have no problem. Take another one. That's okay. You take, chukua. Okay, that's all. Imagine a stuff like this is full. Okay, toothpaste. Take this one here. You know what to mera? Take another one for the kids. Yeah, for the kids. Okay. Toothbrush, I think.
Let us see.
Take this for their family. Hello, baby on the control. What's up, my good people? Okay, first thing, take this. I have the exact maybe mandarin needed.
Yeah.
The remaining one, I take cooking oil.
Okay.
Quick and fast.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Hi. 2 of them. Taturi biaru. Look, this one. I want to manage so she can able to have 10 liters kg of the cooking oil. I'm chewing the sweet, guys. Don't mind. Let's go. Guys, don't worry, I will let you to know the price and then she could have the receipt. I'm chewing the sweets because to have the taste for my saliva, guys. Don't mind. I have the money for Mary, 7,950 after buying the rice just over here. Let's see. Wangu singi second one. Okay, made on the control. Okay, I think this is the total right here, 7,420 right there. Look, for Mary and cooking oil right here. I have the receipt. Okay, brother, let's take her to Tanzania to have fish and some fruits.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, after heavy shopping from the supermarket, I'll take Mary to Tanzania to have the fish and fruits, and then we came back to pick everything as we go home. Me, I purchased 10 kg cooking oil. Guys, where I am right now, it's Tanzania for you guys. This is Tanzania. The view of Tanzania, guys. You can tell on the comment section. Tanzania. I feel like I'm on the next Europe. Wow. This is Tanzania for you. And I'm taking Mary to buy the fish in Tanzania. Because I remain with a 300 change for her, so I will take $4 for the fish. Like it's $5. I mean $4. So it's 300 Kenyan shillings. So 200 I will buy the fish, and then 100 I'll manage to buy fruits and tomatoes. So let's go, guys. Mary. You see, guys, how I was going harder through for this journey. I was going harder. Yes. No one could stop me here. Like this. Yeah, I'm telling you. No one could stop me here. This is Tanzania for you guys. For the first time, maybe I brought Mary here. For the first time, I brought Mary here. So guys, I need to stop. Okay, that's Mary for you guys. So right now, we are in Tanzania. Hello, this. Okay, Mary, let's go. Come. Guys, let me take Mary here. See. Baba, samaki ziko wapi? Ile sukuri nigonga samaki, nikwambia ukweli. Samaki 200 afu kipiki na kwa 100.
Unaweza kuuza vizuri.
Singapi?
Hizi hapa 200, hizi hapa 350, hizi 300.
250 sikue hapa nichukue.
Fanya hizi 270. Nika hizi.
Hata wewe unachukua moja ni ya huyu.
Sasa tu 250 nione mteja wangu leo usiandike.
Okay.
Fresh.
Aya, songa hapa mimi. I don't know. So guys, to be honest, I remain with 300 Kenyan shillings. You're shinga?
250 hiyo fanya.
Uchukue hii? Aya. Nina budget yake ya 300. Wewe mchukulie hiyo tu. Okay, Mary decide that one for 200.
Nina hawa 16 hawa 10,010.
Kana 16 imekuwa mbuzi.
14 hapa nichukua wawili.
16 imekuwa mbuzi. Tema yogo.
Aje nije tu tutajenga tu.
Good service here. Lakini kama samaki kweli walikuwa wadogo, nikwambia ukweli.
Leo nimekuboresha vizuri.
Hizi si zangu, nanunulia huyu.
Ndio maana naona leo sijara.
Kenya nikikuja zangu utanipa. Okay, this is for Mary. And then I buy for you tomatoes. You have already cooking oil. You can fry your fish. Utachoma kwa mafuta. Chimbiri chimwa ni chana, utachoma mbiga. Okay. This 300. The remaining change. If you don't know the currency of Kenya, this 200, this 100. So I pay the fish this, and then this one I'll buy maybe tomatoes and mango. Ake koma, kimkirishi nyanya chonzi. Kimkirishi nyanya. Try Kenya hara. Gora matunda. Tutufungia hivi na tu. Mary shows wonder.
Leo nitakupa mifuko yako watatu. Hesabu kabisa. Maki huyu naye ameondoka tu na mifuko nimemwambia.
Leo utaongea.
Leo niko vizuri.
Okay, this is your man 200.
Asante.
Mary, I will buy for you tomatoes. Mpeza 50.
Nyanya.
Mary, songa karibu. Okay, Mary, they want to have tomatoes right here. Oh, sorry. Hadi hapa ni kwako. Simama kwa biashara wengine. So I'm buying Mary's tomatoes.
Yeah, watu wenye pesa zao.
And maybe Mary, the remaining change, take you pay. The remaining change you buy kales, utanunua sukuma. Kwa hen. Kuri sukuma ni vitunguru.
Siniwapea bongo.
Tupe Kenya jamani.
Sukuma mnaenda kununua Kenya?
Wewe tupe jamani. Za Kenya. Nataka niende pale nipatoe shilingi 40. Guys, now I'm back in my country, so right now I want to purchase Mary food. See these stupid people. Okay, these are my customers right now. Oh, I need to put my bike. Sasa anasikiliza huyu. Mpe vitu za 100 nakuja nilete pesa. Asante mama. Nimetumia mpatie maembe na machungwa. Kwanza mpe machungwa. So I bought food for Mary.
Samia.
Na 50. Hapa ni shilingi ngapi? 50. Muongeze moja. Add 1. Imekuwa ngapi? 150. Okay. Aya. Tuende tununue sukuma wiki. Okay guys. I bought for her the fruits. So it's my time to take Mary to purchase. Hey! So within here, I'm going this way and then that way, so she can able to have a skuma. If you know skuma, comment. Just buy within here. Mama, no tangi skuma. Na vitunguru no na. I bought kales. Ni vitunguru vya mat. Aya. And then you have coriander. No ni vitunguru. Yeah ma. Sino? Hibirure na haturusi ustukuguri.
Muonyesha anaiona ya Kenya.
Muonyesha tu hivi. Pesa ya Kenya.
Hii ndio 500.
50.
Ni 50.
Unaongeza 0.1 ni 500.
Hiyo ni 50 kwa hela Tanzania 1000 hiyo.
Hii ni 1000. Kwa 500 inazaa 50 inazaa.
Ukiwa na 50, ukiwa na hizo 50 10 inazaa shilingi 500 ya Kenya.
Ngoja nikwambie.
They want to know the currency of Kenya. Mama.
Tafai sukuma.
Mimi niko biashara, umesema nimemkacha hapo na kamera, si ndio? Ni kiruka gani mama?
Echo. Mchewe hicho sokere.
Nakijua. Okay. Hao ni wa Tanzania. So Mary, we have on yeah?
Oni wajita.
Wajita ni mama nyeri. You have onions and of vajita. Kana kirechira monire.
Sherehe.
Hai. Vitunguri? Na nyanya eh?
Nyanya si tulichukua.
Oh, so you have already bought tomatoes. Haya, hivi ni 20 eh? Na hapa sikira 50. Haya. Mary, pay the money as we go. Guys, sorry, I'm hurry up. I want to do my own things private. Haya, temche bene ya. Asante mama. Are you okay? Let's go. I tightened everything, cooking oil, shopping, and the brother Dag is ahead of me. So I want to capture them, like to catch them. Let's go. Guys, I'm keep going to Mary's home. I have the shopping right there. Man, it's a good day which God have granted us. And Mary is ahead of me with brother Dag because I went to pick something and I found them, they have already gone. So all in well, I'm just passing here, deliver the surprise. Guys, I hope we are ready for this. I hope we are ready for this day. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. With my baby here. They are driving crazy. Up to now I didn't catch them. Up to right now I didn't catch them. Guys, to be honest, I'm so late. Because of time, I'll catch them. I'll catch them at her home. You know? So, wow. Let's go, guys. I'm wearing Deep East Safari. Check them out. If you came to Africa, you want to book maybe tourist vehicle, check Deep East Safari. They wanna drop you. So we're heading this way. Wow. Guys, stay tuned. Like my Bruno. Alright guys, I'm arrived right now here with the shopping. Mary, Bruno, I got a bonus up with her. If I had to attack that bone, okay. Wait. I can't ask him but tape. This 10 kg. Right here. Yeah? Yeah, Mubira no munyo hero. Nasa na gano'n na aligote buya. Jumba rope ni ribogis. Wow. Yeah, let's go. At samara honyore pa no bori hara. Bakapa nyo mabina tetere. Tetere no kubom. Tatora hana. Yeah. Wapungusu muziki hana. Mary. Njona kisu sasa. Sitotandra hatu. It's huge. We have reached there. Okay. Unboxing. 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 Yes. Nasa matandra matukan pa. Mata ne bahati gitu nirigi hiki. Okay, muraga kuma box. Ndo mubitwana ne muhire. Look guys. Okay, look.
Look what is going on.
Lot of things.
A lot of things.
See? So for us, no problem. You can take. Hakuna haja tahira wabio nyumba.
Tahira nyumba.
Okay. Yeah, Pio. Okay, thank you. This is a husband to Mary. Thank you. Aya Mary, thank you. Aya, we have kinso bana baragere. Aya, bye. Okay, aya.
Okay.
Guys, it's time to go. Me, I say thank you so much. And right here, I have my stuff inside here. Wow. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to end my video at my home. Wow. A wife, all right?
Okay. Mimi nashukuru na vile mmeamua kumsupport na muendelee hivyo na msikate tamaa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome.
That's Mother Tumatiko.
Mimi nimesema asante.
Mother Tumatiko, say, Mother, say hello. Hello. That's Mother Tumatiko. All right. Ndugu.
Yes.
Tigabeto tui.
Haya.
Vyo paroni vyo mokungu. Aya. Stay tuned, guys. Mary, say thank you so much, sir, by supporting her. Thank you. Thanks from Mary, and you heard from her husband. Thank you so much by supporting her. And guys, it's the same person who dig the borehole right here. It's the same person who purchased a huge shopping for Mary. And I'll never forget, also my mom is coming soon, because tomorrow's on a holiday. I will surprise my mama with a Valentine gift tomorrow. Maybe I'll do it on Saturday. Don't worry about it. This is the borehole right here. You can tell. And it has full of water. At the same time, at my home there, I have the borehole. You can see right here, new iron sheet. The courtesy of one of the subscribers. Thank you, sir. You see already the iron sheet just over here, the new one. All right, guys, stay tuned. Guys, I'm heading home to end my video. That's my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, Mama, say hello.
Hello.
From the neighbor fetching water from the borehole. You just keep praying, our borehole getting water. So, Mama, I was coming from one of our mom like you, come support, like making the shopping, and yours is coming. So maybe we'll do it on Friday or Saturday, because tomorrow is a Valentine Day, is a holiday. I need kesho mwendi shule. It was a Valentine Day. Okay. So we'll enjoy with my mom. I'll surprise my mom with a gift for the Valentine Day, which is tomorrow. Okay, mom. Alright, guys, I reach home safely. I make the shopping for that lady. Guys, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you wherever you are. For those people who keep supporting me, I wish you all success toward your family. And by supporting me, thank you so much. And thank you, sir, wherever you are. May God bless you. Somebody calling me. Hello. I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. Right now, it's a blessed day and I'm ending this video in a good way, guys. So we shall meet on tomorrow's video, guys. Bye.